see, I am declaring a structure. So far we have seen till this. Now I have added one more member, struct student A. So can I declare a variable for the structure, of the same type? So is it possible? Can I declare like this? Yes or no? See, one thing you have to keep in mind, inside the structure, any member if you are declaring, for that member you should have a clear picture that what is the size of that data type. See, int means like that we know already. Int means like that it is the size of 4 bytes. 1 byte, 4 byte. But what is the size of this struct student? Is it completely defined? When you are declaring here, before that, see, already you have one structure here, like date of birth. Struct DOB int date int month int year. Okay, suppose you have this structure above, and for this structure you are declaring a number, you are declaring a variable here. Is this okay now? This is okay. Why? Because for struct DOB is a data type, that is user defined data type. For this we know already what is we have a proper definition. When you declare a variable for this, we know the size. We know the size, it is a 12 bytes it will be allocated for this. For this 4, 1, 4 and this will be 12 bytes. But when I try to declare of the same structure, struct student, now this structure itself is not yet completed. Within that itself, if you are trying to declare one variable of same type, then it will give you a compilation error. Got it, right? So again I am repeating, inside a structure, any member when you are declaring, the member should have been already defined it properly. It means like we should have a clear understanding that what is the size of that member. This is already defined, this is already defined, this is already defined, but this is not defined. But suppose if you are declaring struct DOB some variable, yeah, it is already defined. That you can do it. Clear, right? Okay. So that is one thing. Let's keep it aside. But suppose, sir, I am declaring it as like a star A. Now, is it okay? Is it allowed?
Allowed, it's
allowed. Why it is allowed?
because we know the size of that point very well.
Okay, very good. So it means any pointer, see whether this struct pointer or integer pointer or whatever it may be. If it is 4 byte means it will be 4 byte only. So we don't need to like understand what is, even this structure is already defined or not defined, not a problem. Pointer means like it is just going to allocate a 4 bytes of memory. So for this 4 bytes of memory and the rest all is a 9 bytes of memory. So total, when you declare a variable for this structure, how much memory will be allocated? 13 bytes of memory. Very good. Okay, now, so I have declared a pointer of same structure. So this pointer we are calling it as a self-referential pointer. And this structure we are calling it as a self-referential structure.